Hello friends, myself Ankur Khandhediya. I am working with an American MNC in Rajkot. Speaking in English is very much necessary. Whether you are going for a job interview, whether it's a business deal, or whether it's a social gathering, speaking in English, and that is also with a fluency, is a great deal nowadays. Before meeting a Jayesh sir, I was thinking that speaking in English is not my cup of tea. But after meeting a Jayesh sir and learning from that, I got a very good atmosphere to practice my communication skill. I got a very good boost in my self-confidence, and I got a very good knowledge to speak in English. The no pen system method is so strong that after 10 years also, it's hard to forget what I learned before 10 years. And today also, I can speak English without any kind of additional effort. So thank you very much, Jayesh sir, and thank you very much, no pen system. Thank you.